Peace, y'all. This is Fareed Grams. This is my first tutorial ever. What I'm showing today is how to use pretty much any DAW with Maschine and how to sample your MP3s without converting the whole song to wave and taking up more space on the computer. So this should work pretty much for any DAW you have. I pretty much got this idea from watching a tutorial with Ski Beats using Ableton and thought I should be able to do pretty much the same thing. So what I do first is in New Window, let's start with a blank template, add a new track. I'm using the stereo track. And from here, I'm going to go to my mixer, go to the master bus, and I'm going to add Maschine as a plug-in there. Take a second. Okay. From here, you want to hit the sampling button on the machine and make sure that the source is set to external, not internal, and the input should be, left and right if you're using stereo. You also want to make sure in Maschine right here by the monitor, this monitor button is clicked, that is highlighted, so that when I import the MP3, you'll be able to hear what's playing and what you're sampling. Okay, so I got Maschine set up there, and then I can import MP3s. So in my library here, go with some Donald Byrd. All MP3s. These are all MP3s here. So anything that I play that's going through the master bus, because Maschine is assigned as a plugin, it's getting played through, any MP3 or any audio file is getting played through Maschine. So I'm going to hit the space bar. I can hit start when I'm ready to sample. Stop it. And now when I hit the trigger on the machine, the pad, which is cool because now I have way more control over the sample. I can EQ the sample, before I actually sample it, everything. So that's my first tip to y'all. I hope y'all make use of it until Maschine gives us an update with that on there. Peace.